If you are not exercising as much as you should, this is the video that will motivate you. We'll tell you why and how to do it right.
Hey friends, Bob and Fran here. We're both in our 80s and we're all about healthy aging. We've written a book about it and now do one-on-one coaching to live longer and healthier.
You know, we were just thinking about one of our neighbors who takes care of his car better than he takes care of his body. We cannot stress enough how essential a daily exercise routine is to feeling great, looking good, and extending your life as well.
There is no question that regular physical activity is good for all of us. It's important for heart and lung health, strengthening bones and joints, and weight loss. But did you know it can benefit your emotional well-being as well? It's like getting a 2-for-1 deal, and it can be totally free.
So we compiled a list of 6 ways that exercising can benefit you, and I think it's really important.
First of all, according to the Mayo Clinic, exercise stimulates chemicals in your brain to reduce anxiety and increase happiness levels. You'll feel better about yourself, how you look and feel, and improve your self-esteem and well-being.
The second benefit is that you will be more energized when you exercise. It builds muscle strength to increase endurance and enhances your cardiovascular system.
Number 3, a workout regimen can actually help promote better sleep.
We all need that for sure. The next benefit is that keeping fit can help optimize the immune system by flushing out bacteria out of the lungs. This may reduce your chances of getting a cold or flu or some other illness.
Number 5, physical conditioning can be a great alternative to taking medications to help cope in dealing with stress, anger, worry, fear, and other negative behaviors. Also, research has discovered that exercise may even be as effective as an antidepressant medication when treating mild to moderate depression.
And finally, the last benefit is that exercising releases endorphins that produce a feeling of calmness and at the same time can increase concentration and make you more mentally sharp, including improved memory. These endorphins also stimulate new brain cell growth and could slow down age-related decline.
So here's how you can start your exercise routine. It's very easy. First, just set an intention to work out every day and set aside a time period for this. We suggest early morning before breakfast.
Here's when you can create your own hour of power, starting with some stretching, then aerobics like walking briskly with arm pumping at the same time, jogging, swimming perhaps, and also work in some energy movement work like qigong or yoga.
It's often a good idea to have others join you for motivation, accountability, and of course, socialization.
You know, your health account is like your savings account. The more you put in, the longer it will last.
We urge you to please take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.
As always, it would help us greatly, by the way, if you would comment, like us, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and be sure to hit the notification bell to be alerted when our next video will be available.
Now, let's get off our butts and
Yes.
start exercising. And we look forward to seeing you again very soon.
Bye-bye. for
Bye-bye.
now.